Hey, what's up? It's your Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about a really cool gadget. That's because we're taking a look at the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. Lenovo is known for bringing us consistent and reliable laptops. And that's incredibly apparent in their ThinkPad line of notebooks. And throughout the years, the look and feel of the ThinkPad has remained pretty much the same. But now, that all changes because in comes the ThinkPad X1 Fold. There's a lot to talk about this laptop. Yes, it's a laptop. So let's not waste any more time. Here are 5 awesome things about the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. Number 1. The specs. Before you guys pull out your pitchforks and go after me saying that can't be a laptop, that's a tablet, I'm here to say nope, it's not a tablet. Here we have an Intel Core i5 L16G7 processor, 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD storage which is upgradable to 1TB, and if that isn't enough, it runs Windows 10 like any computer should. In fact, it actually has more nifty functions than any old regular laptop, which we'll talk about later. As for connectivity, we have 5G, Bluetooth 5.1, one USB-C Gen 1, one USB-C Gen 2, and a DisplayPort, via USB-C. Then we also have a 50 Wh battery. So yeah, it may not have all the top of the line specs, but it's very impressive that Lenovo got to fit all of this in the form of a tablet. And size and thickness considered, I'm pretty happy with the specs. Number 2. Okay, so I don't really know what the official names of these modes are, but yeah. Number 2. Netbook mode. To further hammer it down as a laptop, we have its nifty netbook mode. All you have to do is simply place the included Bluetooth keyboard on the bottom half of the screen without covering the camera, and it magnetically snaps on. Turn on the pairing and you're connected in an instant. With this, you can enjoy half of its 13.3-inch screen like you would on a netbook. Of course, with the added benefit of a touchscreen. The typing experience on this remains consistent with their ThinkPad line, and the keys have a lot of travel despite the board being very thin. And because of the portable size, it's very easy to set up anywhere regardless of the size of the table. And when you're done, all you have to do is close the lid, with the keyboard inside, and take it anywhere you want without it eating space in your bag. And before I forget, the keyboard charges while it's docked like this. You can use a cable, but you don't have to. Really neat and really convenient. Number 3. Full screen mode. Now, if you have more space on your table, you can go full screen mode. With this, you can enjoy the 13.3-inch QXGA OLED screen like a full-sized laptop. Just choose your orientation and pull out the kickstand from behind the body. And the OS recognizes the change in orientation too and changes accordingly. As for the keyboard, just plop it down right in front because again, it connects via Bluetooth, no need for any wires. And we also have a display that sports a 4:3 aspect ratio, ensuring you'll be very productive. That's because for work applications like Excel and Word, you'll be able to monitor more on your screen. Couple that up with a touchscreen and work couldn't be easier. In fact, it might even be fun. But when you're taking a break, you can enjoy your favorite shows and videos on this because again, we have an OLED panel. So of course that means vibrant colors and deep blacks. Number 4. Tablet mode plus the Mod Pen. And while we're on the topic of that beautiful display, let's talk about tablet mode. Not only do you get a pretty much non-watered down experience with the X1 Fold thanks to full Windows 10 support, but artists will love taking advantage of the display and colors thanks to the included Mod Pen. You get to use your favorite desktop apps for creating art and media. And I'm not a graphics artist, so I used Paint. But the pen was very responsive and it was a treat attempting to draw something. And for a non-artist, it was really easy to use, so props to Lenovo. Sadly, the pen doesn't support any form of wireless charging and you'll need to plug it in with the hidden USB-C port. And when you're done working, you can slide the pen in the holder and take the whole kit with you for the ride. Number 5. Book mode. Now, after a long day, people usually lie down on their bed, pull up their tablet, and watch some videos or read some articles. Now with the X1 Fold, you can further level up and enhance your pre-sleep ritual with book mode. The moment you fold the screen, you get a prompt from the mode switcher software of Lenovo. And you can basically split any tabs or apps open into two sides of the screen. Instead of just watching a video to bed or maybe just reading an article, you can do both. Or watch 2 videos at the exact same time like me. Though I don't really know why you'd want to do that, you might not even get to sleep anymore. Either way, this feature is pretty awesome for multitaskers like me, and I'm pretty sure you guys would benefit from the convenience. So there you have it, 5 awesome things about the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. Time and again, different companies try to create a tablet that serves as a laptop replacement, but they rarely hit the mark. And here we have Lenovo. They step things up and create a product that makes you go, with laptops like this, who needs a tablet? So in a world of laptop replacements, the X1 Fold earns the title of Tablet Killer. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold is now available in the Philippines on a buy-order basis. And you can get one via Lenovo's authorized retail partners with an SRP of 208,499 pesos. You can check out more reviews on Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because when we hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So don't forget the hashtag sub2unbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.